Hey, I just wanted to record a quick tutorial. I had taken the PDF that we got with our child's schedule of remote classes, and I turned it into a calendar, and we thought that would be helpful. My wife and I are both working from home. We've been having trouble just juggling our own calendars, let alone Molly's calendar. And then sometimes it's hard to like dig up which email had the right Zoom link. And so a calendar is helpful to us because we can put it on an iPad, we can see it next to our own calendars. It might be helpful to you because you could push updates as you need to without having to send an email or PDF around. So I thought I'd show you how I did that. In Google Calendar, which is obviously free, you can, here in other calendars, you can create a calendar. And then you can just name it something like, I think I was calling it remote and then our room number. Create that calendar, and it says here at the bottom that that was created. I could just go back now, and if I wanted to manually create events, adding them to make sure to choose the right calendar as you're adding these events. And you can see it's like a different color here in my calendar. Or if you have a whole bunch that you want to do at once and don't want to click through this a bunch of times, I made a template here in Google Sheets. So basically, you name your event, you give like a longer description of the event, and I like to put the video chat link in the location here, and then start time and date and end time and date. You need to follow this format with like, if you don't have a space here between the 10 and AM, it won't work correctly. But assuming you follow this format, and just you can copy down false all the way for all your events. So using this list of classes, I made basically that. You can see if I just file, then download, and you choose comma separated values, so .csv. And here it's shown up in my download folder. I can then go over here to that calendar that I just created, click settings and sharing, and then click import and export. And this part's important. You have to make sure to pick the calendar that you created and not just your own personal calendar. You pick a file from your computer. So this is the file that I just downloaded from Google Sheets. And just hit open and then click import. And you'll get this little message that it was successful. When I go back, actually, I believe I have to refresh the page. Yeah, now you can see all the purple meetings, and so here the like reddish pinkish one would be my own calendar, and the purple one would be my child's calendar. It just helps me manage her time, and then quickly on her iPad I have the calendar as well. I can click to open a meeting, and she can jump in the class with all you lovely teachers. So hopefully this is helpful. I sent it around to some other parents in my class, and they really liked it, and so we thought maybe we could get some of the other teachers doing it if you find it helpful. Thank you.